Now, your local weather with the KX Storm Team.
And welcome back, everybody. If you haven't heard yet, we do have winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories across much of the viewing area. The southern counties have a winter storm warning, and east of Bismarck, so Kidder County, Stutsman County, out towards Jamestown, under a winter storm warning. Winter weather advisories for Dickinson and Bismarck and up towards the Devil's Lake area. Taking a look at the almanac today, we got up to 26 degrees. How about that? About 10 degrees below average still, but not bad. 14 degrees was our overnight low. Record high 62 set back in 1977. Taking a live look out towards Bismarck right now. Yeah, you notice the clouds out there. The first signs of that system incoming. 21 degrees is our temperature. A little bit of a breeze here in Bismarck, so it feels like 11. But temperatures pretty mild across the viewing area. Look at these low 30s for Watford City and out towards City, Montana. The rest of us enjoying 20s right now. So wherever you look, temperatures are pretty mild, relatively mild. A wind out of the east right now from about 5 to 10 for the southern half of the state. The northern half of the area looking at light and variable winds right now. Now, satellite radar, yeah, we see the clouds. We also see a little bit of light snow. At least it's falling. Not sure if it's actually making it to the ground just yet, but as the atmosphere moistens up, as the system moves on in, snow certainly will begin to reach the ground. You can see even heavy snow now developing out towards the western South Dakota area. That will move closer to us over the next few hours. Let's go ahead and roll Precision Cast. Time this out for you. We're going to be looking at snow first beginning in our southwestern counties. Talking about Hettinger, Bowman counties out there. That'll begin late tonight. Now, as we go in towards the early morning, that's when we'll start to see the snow fill in towards the southern or the southwestern quarter of the state, let's call it. So Bismarck, expect the snow to pick up a little bit before dawn. Dickinson, you'll see the snow really picking up after midnight. And then we'll be looking at the snow eventually kind of trending off towards the east. So Dickinson snow will begin to wind down by late tomorrow morning. And Bismarck, we can expect the snow to start winding down by tomorrow afternoon. Notice Minot now towards Williston. You might not see much snow at all. And then finally, the system will pull away and depart the eastern North Dakota area by Sunday morning with plenty of snow to be had out in northern Minnesota. So here's our accumulation map. Looking at the highest amounts to the south and to the east here, only a trace amount possible in Minot. Now, was just looking at some data before we started the weather here. Looks like there is a chance that we might not even receive this much here through Bismarck and Dickinson. So keep that in mind. This isn't a potential amount, but there is a chance that we could see less than this. A lot of the data having a real hard time trying to figure out the snowfall with this. But I suspect that we'll see at least a few inches here in Bismarck. Looking at a different graphic here, another way to put the amount of snow. Bismarck, certainly within the larger areas or the larger cities here in our viewing area, Bismarck does look to receive the most. And I think half a foot isn't out of the question. Minot, not much of all with Dickinson, a few inches. The winds, they certainly will be picking up as we go in towards tomorrow evening. In fact, we'll have sustained winds out of the northwest, some at about 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30. So keep that in mind. It'll be a windy day. Dickinson, you're looking at temperatures warming on up. In fact, Monday, we're looking at temperatures in the 30s with plenty of sunshine. Williston, you're also looking at temperatures warming up into the mid-30s with sunshine. Also notice it'll be quite dry there in Williston. All right, your lows tonight, temperatures only dipping down into the teens and low 20s with that cloud cover. The highs tomorrow, that same cloud cover will keep temperatures not rising up all that much into the 20s. May sneak a few 30-degree readings in there. There's your 7-day forecast, and we'll be talking about temperatures warming up to average temperatures by the middle of next week. How about that? We're also going to be looking at another storm system impacting our area by the middle of next week. That one will have a lot of wind with it. Looks like it'll dump a lot of snow. Question again is where. Right now models have been trending east. We'll watch.
Okay. Keep it here. Sports is next.